everyone, it's Mrs. Nye from Healthy Bodies, Healthy Minds. I am going to make a recipe with you today. So our recipe is called a Confetti Bean Salsa. So it has a couple ingredients and it's really quick to make and it's a super healthy, yummy snack. So the first thing that I'm going to do though is I'm going to wash my hands. So I need to turn on my water, get 1 squirt of soap. Then I'm going to scrub all over for 20 seconds. So while I'm scrubbing, I need to make sure that I'm getting all the different spots on my hands. So I want to make sure I'm getting in between my fingers, underneath my fingernails. Germs love to live under your fingernails. Then I'm going to get the tops of my hands and all the way up to my wrist. All right. Now I'm going to rinse. There we go. Dry off with the towel. All right, now we're good to start. All right, so our Confetti Bean Salsa has just 3 simple ingredients. So today we have some black beans. So I have 2 cans of black beans, and then I have 2 cans of corn. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open those up, I'm going to rinse them, and then add them to the bowl. And then our last ingredient is a bell pepper. So you can use any color bell pepper that you want. Today I have orange. So I'm going to dice this up and add it in with the beans and the corn. All right, so now that I have my corn and black beans in a bowl, I'm going to add up my diced pepper. Add that in. And now I'm going to stir it around. Make sure it's all combined. So it's called a confetti bean salsa because of all the bright colors. So you can see all the orange peppers, yellow corn, and the black beans. So if you don't have black beans, you could also use a different kind of bean. So any type of canned bean that you have on hand would work. All right, and that's it. That's how easy it is. So I am going to give it a try. So I'm going to just put a little bit into my bowl. And you can use whole grain chips or crackers or pita bread. So I happen to have pita bread, so I'm going to try it with pita and see how it is. So good. So I hope that you try this at home. If you do, let us know. So I'll put our email address here, and you can shoot us an email and take a picture or a video of yourself making the recipe. Thanks so much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll see you soon.